Hi friends! When you travel in an airplane, you would be restricted from using your phone to prevent interference with the airplane's communication. The Flight Mode feature in your Galaxy S2 disables your phone's wireless capabilities. Here's how you can enable and disable this feature. The screen transitions shown here will vary a bit from the actual screen movements on the device. Press and hold the power button on the right corner of your phone. Tap on the Flight Mode option to turn on the Airplane Mode feature. Tap on OK to confirm. To turn off the Flight Mode, press and hold the power button. Tap on the Flight Mode option, and then tap on OK to disable the feature. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. To check out more related tech videos, click here. If you have any query or want to share something with us, click here. To get iYogi tech support, dial toll-free numbers. To stay empowered technically, subscribe to our channel.